Hey plant lovers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the hottest houseplant trends lighting up Google and YouTube searches this year. From rare finds to colorful foliage, let's explore what everyone's talking about. Stick around, maybe you'll find your next plant obsession. 1. Philodendron Pink Princess. First up, we have the Philodendron Pink Princess. This beauty has taken the plant world by storm with its striking dark green leaves adorned with vibrant pink variegation. Perfect for adding a pop of color to any space, it thrives in bright, indirect light and needs a little humidity to keep those pink hues glowing. According to Google Trends, it's a top choice among collectors and beginners alike. 2. Monstera Thai Constellation. Next on our list is the Monstera Thai Constellation. Known for its spectacular white and green marbled leaves, this monstera is both stunning and rare, often priced at several $100s. It loves bright, indirect sunlight and should be watered when the top inch of soil is dry. YouTube has countless videos showcasing how to care for this beautiful plant, making it a must-watch for plant enthusiasts. 3. Hoya Linearis. On to something a bit more delicate, the Hoya Linearis. With its slender, trailing stems and small, waxy leaves, it's a charming addition to any collection. This plant is perfect for hanging baskets, and it produces clusters of fragrant flowers that will leave your space smelling divine. It enjoys bright, indirect light and should be watered sparingly. Let the soil dry out completely between waterings. 4. Alocasia Jacklyn. Next, we have the Alocasia Jacklyn. Featuring striking arrow-shaped leaves and prominent veining, this tropical beauty is sure to turn heads. While it's relatively easy to care for, it does prefer humidity and well-draining soil. It's trending because of its dramatic look, perfect for creating a jungle vibe indoors. 5. Philodendron Mame. The Philodendron Mame is next on our list. Known for its heart-shaped, silver-patterned leaves, it's a favorite among plant collectors this year. It's not too demanding, making it suitable for beginners. It prefers bright, indirect light and should be watered when the topsoil feels dry. This plant's unique look has made it a hot topic on social media platforms. 6. Variegated String of Pearls. Let's not forget the Variegated String of Pearls. This succulent has captured hearts with its cascading, bead-like leaves. The variegated version adds an extra flair with its creamy and green colors. It thrives in bright light and needs very little water, making it an excellent choice for busy plant parents. Its low-maintenance nature is a big reason why it's trending this year. 7. Queen Antherium. Antherium warocqueanum. Now, let's talk about the Queen Antherium, also known as Antherium warocqueanum. With its large, velvety leaves, it's one of the most sought-after plants. It requires a bit more care, thriving in high humidity and filtered light. This beauty is trending due to its luxurious appearance and has become a must-have for collectors looking to elevate their plant game. 8. Philodendron Florida Beauty. Finally, we have the Philodendron Florida Beauty. This hybrid plant showcases stunning variegated foliage that looks like it belongs in a tropical paradise. It needs bright, indirect light and consistent moisture, but it's well worth the effort. Many plant parents are sharing their journeys with this beauty on YouTube, making it one of the top trending plants for 2024. So there you have it. From the eye-catching Pink Princess to the luxurious Queen Antherium, these are the plants that everyone's searching for right now. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more plant inspiration. Happy planting!